Guys, this is one of the, it's a wholesale club, as you can see the name. So I'm going to go inside there. This is actually my third time of going in. I want to go and see what they have. Like, it's one of the options of buying things in bulk. Before I go here, I'm going to just finish what I'm eating, and then I'll take you guys inside. It is so sunny and so bright. I don't know if you guys can see my face, because I can't see my face. I'm trying to eat this. What's the time now? I can't even see the time, but it's almost 12 o'clock. And this drink, I guess this is samosas, by the way. I like this one. This is samosa, Indian samosas, the real Indian samosa. Okay, it's not the one we make. This one is the authentic Indian samosa. Is very nice. See the inside? It's filled with spices and potatoes, and you know, the dough is crispy too. It's crispy, but it's not too doughy. I like it this way. I think these ones are handmade. I'm not sure, but I like it. Anyways, let me eat up, and then I'll take you guys inside. It's so bright, right? And very, very sunny. It's still cold. It's not very cold, so don't let the sunshine deceive you. It's still winter time. It's still winter time, so it is still cold. As you can see, I'm wearing my hat, a jacket, and my sweater. But the sun is helping. It's not very cold. Saturday was very, very cold. In the morning, -11, feeling like -18. When you factor in the wind chill, it feels like -18. But it has warmed up today. So let's see jasmine rice. These are jasmine rice. These are the ones that I like. They have this big Uniqlo. And this place is mostly for restaurants. I have this rice. I don't know how much the rice is. See, they have kidney beans. These are mostly, I would say. Excuse me. I think this is for restaurants. No, these are giant items. Steal one from somebody. Okay, this one is not bad. This is what it is. It's like a giant pasta sauce ready to use. I'm gonna take one. I'll use it to make pasta sauce. So you have different ones here. Pizza sauce. And these ones, sauce, pasta sauce as well. They have the small ones. We have meat here. Oh wow, this is $100. $124. And this beef. Same thing with this one. This one is brisket. I don't know what that means. The smaller ones, 60 something dollars. This one has more fat. More fat. Dairy. Waffles. Let me see. What is this? Mashed potato and cheese. This macaroni and cheese wedges. Oh wow. Macaroni and cheese wedges. This potato skin patties, Jamaican patties. What is this one? I think it's the same thing. So I'm gonna grab some of this one. People who love prawns, they have giant prawns. Over there. Let's see. Giant prawns. Crispy and tender chicken. These are expensive. A box is $67. These are burgers. These burgers are for 40 pieces. Primary. These ones are $15. 8. This one's a box. A box for 35. Okay. I was looking for spring rolls. No, not spring rolls. I mean samosas. I have samosas. What are these? Chicken balls. Golden meatball. This one's some Italian meatballs. It's not about $20. I don't know, maybe I should take one. Chicken roll. Gyro meats. Oh yeah. I like to buy this chicken. Oh my god. I bought it the last time. Yeah. Fried chicken. This is the price of the fried chicken. This one's here. So I want to pick one. I want to pick this one. pork sausage. Yeah. You want to buy small size or you want to buy big size? These are the prices. These are tissue papers. This is $20. I think I'll pick one because we're running out of tissue paper. What else they have over? Oh yeah, let's go in the freezer. Actually, they have boxes and box of Cheetos, 50 bucks, 50 pieces, 50 bags for $20.99. I think it's good. It's just that they only have the same mix. My children don't like this one. They don't like this one. Nobody eats it. There's 8 of this. 10, 16. I don't know if I should buy it. Well, these are not. These are just one type. But I have this juice. I like it. That is 100% juice. This is $18. How many? This is 24 pieces. I mean 24 bottles. 24 bottles for $18.99. That's not bad. And I have this one as well. This Allen. This is cranberry cocktail. Also 24 pieces, 24 bottles. I don't know why I keep saying pieces. 24 bottles. And these ones, these are how many? I don't even know how many. I think these are 12. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 24 as well. Okay, I think I'm gonna take one of these for them. Inside the freezer. So cool. Inside the freezer. I don't know the price of things here, but you have lettuce, have this. What is this? Have mini cucumber for four. What is it? Mini cucumber for $4.99. I don't know if I need to take one or not. I've had lettuce. I don't know how much this. I take one. Fresh mini mixed peppers, $5.99. This is so much. Of butter, of broccoli. I don't know how much the broccoli is. It's cold in here. These are 30 medium eggs. These are the price of eggs. 30 eggs for $10. 12 for $7.99. I don't like this medium eggs. I think I'll buy eggs from the grocery store. Tomatoes. This is tomatoes. Tomato beef steak red. I think it's $30 per box. That's what it is. And then you can buy per pound. Oh, I need to buy sugar. Reminding me, I need to buy sugar. sugar. It's still the same price. Nothing different. Yeah, vegetable oil. This is canola. And this one vegetable oil. And the price. This is a big. This is actually 16 liters. So this is big. 16 liters. This is better. This is 16 liters. And this is 3 liters. And this is $10. So it's better for you to buy the big one. I'll make a plan to come and buy all these things in bulk.